12th math student, see some problem from exercise 11.3. Topic is plane. So article already I have explained what is the general form of plane. Plane passing through 1 point, plane passing through 3 points, plane in vector form, plane in Cartesian form, angle between two planes you have written. Now see some problems. Question number first, here you have to change in normal form. So simple or general equation of the plane is given. General equation means in the form of ax plus by plus cz is equal to d. So when you change in normal form, dividing by root of a square plus b square plus c square means root of square of the coefficient of x plus square of the coefficient of y plus square of the coefficient of z. ABC are direction ratios of normal to the plane. So dividing by you get a square plus b square plus c square with root you get root 14. So after dividing by root 14, the coefficient of x, y and z becomes DCs of normal. Before dividing, coefficient are dr, after dividing it becomes DCs of normal. And on the right side, 5 by root 14 is length of normal. So you can compare with LX plus MY plus NZ is equal to P. Here L, M, N are DCs and P is the length of normal. So write the value of L, M and N and P. Okay. Now in question number 2, here given, so distance drawn from a point to the plane D is given here. Unit distance D is given 7. So you will write equation of the plane N cap dot R. This is the plane in normal form. N cap dot R is equal to D. But here normal is given, not N cap, only vector along the normal. Vector N is given here 3i plus 5j minus 6k. So from N cap you can determine N cap is equal to vector N upon mod N. So solving it, vector N upon mod N means what? Root of square of the coefficient of y plus square of the coefficient of j plus square of the coefficient of k. Okay, so N cap is, that is you get N upon root 17. So now putting in formula N cap dot R is equal to D. N cap, that is vector N upon mod N dot R and D is 7. So mod N taking on the right side by cross, so vector N dot R is equal to 7 times of mod N you have determined here. So that is root 70. Okay. So now and N is given vector N. So putting the value of vector N 3i plus 5j minus 6k dot R is equal to 7 root 70. Means apply the formula N cap dot R is equal to D. Okay, so you can determine the value of N cap here. Now and D is given. Now when you change in Cartesian form, so for Cartesian form, so write in place of vector R xi plus yj plus zk in place of R, and taking dot product. So how to take the dot product, you know, multiplying the coefficient of ii with coefficient of jj then kk. So you get 3x plus 5y minus 6z is equal to d, that is 7 root 70. This is the Cartesian form. Now see one more question. Question number 3, convert in Cartesian form. Just I have explained here. When you convert in Cartesian form, in place of R you will write xi plus yj plus zk and then taking dot product with n vector. So dot product means ii coefficient plus jj coefficient plus kk coefficient you will multiply. So you get here after multiply s minus 2tx plus 3 minus ty plus 2s plus tz is equal to 50. Okay. Now in question number 4 you have to find the coordinate of the foot of perpendicular drawn from origin to the plane. foot of perpendicular drawn from origin to the plane. So here listen, if your plane is ax plus by plus cz is equal to d, this is the general form. Dividing by root of a square plus b square plus c square. After dividing, it becomes a upon root of a square plus b square plus c square into x plus b upon root of a square plus b square plus c square into y plus c upon root of a square plus b square plus c square into z is equal to d upon same root of a square plus b square plus c. So after dividing, coefficient of x, y, z becomes dCs of normal. dCs means L is coefficient of x, M is coefficient of y, N is coefficient of z after dividing. And on the right side, d upon something a square plus b square plus c square, that is represented by p. This is the length of normal. So remember here, when you divide root of a square plus b square plus c square, coefficient of x, y, z becomes dCs of normal, and on the right side constant term, that is length of normal, represented by p. So when you determine L, M, N and p, then there is a formula to find the coordinate of foot. Directly you can write coordinate of foot of normal is LP, MP, NP. L, M, N are dCs and p is length of normal. So see one part of question number 4. So plane is 2x plus 3y plus 4z is equal to 12. Dividing by root of a square plus b square plus c square. Here 2 square plus 9, 4 plus 9 plus 16. ABC are 2, 3, 4. So that is root 29. So after dividing by root 29, coefficient of x, y, z becomes dC. Means here L is equal to 2 upon root 29, M is equal to 3 upon root 29, N is equal to 4 upon root 29, and P, length of normal, that is written on the right side, 12 upon root 29. Then write coordinate of foot of normal. So foot is LP, NP and NP, putting the value of L and P. Okay.